In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run onboarding in Notion. Whether you're a manager trying to streamline the onboarding process or someone new to a team, using Notion can be an effective and organized way to kick off your journey. Let's dive in and explore how to set up a seamless onboarding process using this flexible tool. First, let's talk about the all-important onboarding checklist. This is your roadmap to ensure nothing falls through the cracks during the onboarding process. In Notion, you can create a detailed checklist that covers every step newcomers should take. Start by setting up a new page titled Onboarding Checklist. Within this page, design your checklist to include all the essentials, such as forms that need to be completed, videos to watch, and the company's policies to read and understand. This checklist will be a living document, meaning you can easily update it as processes change or new requirements arise. Next, you want to create a space for meeting the team. Building connections early is vital for any new team member, and Notion can be a great platform to facilitate this. Create a section in your onboarding page dedicated to introductions. Here you can include short profiles of each team member, detailing their roles, contact information, and maybe even some personal fun facts to create a warm and welcoming environment. Encourage existing team members to add comments or welcome notes to this page, making it an interactive and engaging part of the onboarding experience. Thirdly, you'll need a section for Tools and Access. This is where you'll guide your new recruit through the essential tools and systems they need to get started. Lay out a detailed list of the software and platforms your team uses, complete with links to login pages and guides on how to access them. You can also include tutorials or documents on the usage of these tools. This section is not just about listing software, it's about setting your new team members up for success by giving them the keys to the digital kingdom up front. Lastly, there's your first 90 days. Think of this as a personalized plan that outlines goals and expectations for your new hire's initial weeks on the job. In Notion, create a timeline that spans 3 months, highlighting important milestones, meetings, and projects that they will be a part of. Include notes on who they will interact with, feedback sessions, and periodic check-ins. This feature not only helps the new hire stay on track, but also helps managers oversee progress and provide support when needed. And there you have it, a comprehensive onboard structure laid out in Notion. With these components in place, you'll ensure that every onboarding process is smooth, informative, and engaging. By using Notion's capabilities, you make sure that new hires feel well prepared and supported from day one. Thanks for joining me today to learn about running onboarding in Notion. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more tips. See you next time.